Okay, good morning, parents. Request for you, please rename yourself. All of you, please rename yourself. Okay, so good morning, everyone. How are you all? Okay, fine and good. Okay, now there is a quiz for you. आपके लिए आज टीचर एक क्विज बताने वाली है and you have to. It's a puzzle. Okay, आपको puzzle है आज. And you have to tell me the. Good morning, everyone. Yes. So you have to tell me the name which character I'm telling. Okay. आपको मैं जो नेम बताएगी ना, आपको क्या करना है, उनका मुझे सर जो मैं आपको ऑब्जेक्ट्स बताएगी, आपको मुझे उनका नेम चैट बॉक्स में टाइप करना है एंड यू हैव टू गेस द टॉपिक अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. ओके, देयर आर टू फ्रेंड्स. ओके, देयर आर टू फ्रेंड्स बट दे नेवर मीट each other. But they never meet each other. Can you tell me who are they? Am I audible to everyone? Please type Y in the chat box, please.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, okay. Okay, thank you so much, dear. Okay, so no, yeah. Answer is right, but one more thing is there, one more. There are two friends, but they never meet with each other. Can you tell me who are they? Eyes is also there, but there is one more is there. Eyes is also there. Okay, you are not guessing. So now you can see here. What is this? This is a happy sun. And can you tell me who is he? He is a moon. अभी मुझे बताओ, ये दोनों को आपने कभी साथ में देखा है? Can you see? आपने कभी देखा है इनको साथ में? No. Why? Because sun rises in the morning. Sun कभी होता है rise? In the morning. And moon कभी आता है हमको मिलने? In the night. So can you tell me which topic is there today? Type it in the yes. It's a day night. Very good, Swayam More. Its a topic is day and night. Yes. Very good, Shavil. The week. Very good. Everyone, very good. Thank you so much for the replies. Okay, so today we are going to see the topic day and night. Okay, you can see here. This is, as teacher is shown to already you, this is a sun, happy sun. And see, you can see outside also there is a happy morning. And you can see here, it's Wheezy. He is a moon, sleepy moon. Yes, it's a sleepy moon. So our topic is day and night. Okay, so you can see here the symbol of the day is a sun and the symbol of the night is a moon. Yes, कौन सा symbol है देखो यहाँ पे, you can see here it's a sun, happy sun, and it's a sleepy moon. So these are the symbols of the day and night. Thank you so much, parents, for the responses. Okay, now you can see what she is telling. She is telling during the day, what can I see? पूरे दिन में मैं क्या देखती हूँ? What she is saying, during the day I can see, मैं दिन में क्या देखती हूँ? You can see here, these are the clouds. Clouds. When we are seeing the clouds, white clouds in the morning, yes, in the afternoon, yes, and this is the sun. Okay, sun rises in the night. Yes or no? Can you type in the chat box, please? Sun rises in the night? No. Yes, sun rises in the morning. Sun rises in the morning. Yes. Thank you so much, all of you. Okay. Now you can see here. This is what? A blue sky. You can see outside also. Now you can see there is a blue sky outside. You can see the sky is color is what is this color of the sky? It's a blue. Okay, these all things we seen in the morning, afternoon, and the yes, we can see in the morning and afternoon. Yes, now see here. At the night, what can I see? मुझे night में क्या क्या दिखता है? What she's telling? Night में मुझे क्या क्या दिखता है? Yes, I can see the moon. Yes, sleepy sleepy moon. Yes, and I can see the stars. Happy happy stars. Yes, and what is the color of the sky? Can you tell me? Yes, what is the color of the sky in the night? It's a blue. Yes, it's a black. You can see here the color of the sky is a black. The color of the sky is a black. So these all things we see in the during the day and night. Yes, during the day and night she's seen all that things. Yes. Okay, now next. Okay, this is my daily routine. ये क्या है? This is my daily routine. क्या है मेरा ये? This is my daily routine. Okay, wake up early in the morning. Listen, kids. This is all for you. Listen carefully. Okay, wake up early in the morning, not after 10 a.m. Okay, wake up early in the morning and you have to be get ready. क्या हो रहा है morning में? हम लोग morning में उठने के बाद करना है. Don't take the remote and sit in front of the TV. Just go and be ready. क्या होना है आपको? Morning में उठने के बाद मम्मा के पीछे नहीं पड़ना है. आपको क्या करना है? You have to get ready fast fast. आपको क्या करना है? Ready होना है fast fast. Yes. And after ready, क्या करते हो आप लोग? Again you are taking TV remote. Yes ना? Everyone is taking the TV remote again. Yes? Yes kids? Yes, I know that. Everyone is after getting ready, mama ke piche pade, mama give me this, give me that, and crying and sitting in front of the TV, watching the Doraemon and the Chota Beam and all that things. No, when you are getting ready, you have to be eat your breakfast. What? In the silently, not shouting, not crowding everything. You have to eat your breakfast. A healthy breakfast. हमने देखा है ना healthy food? Yes. And after the breakfast, when what we are doing? Yes, वी गो टू द स्कूल. हम लोग कहाँ पे जाते हैं? अभी तो हम लोग स्कूल में नहीं जाते हैं. नो प्रॉब्लम. लेकिन अभी जब हम लोग स्कूल में रहते तो हम लोग कैसे रूटीन होते थे कि नहीं? अभी हम लोग क्या करते हैं? यस, हम लोग अभी स्कूल तो नहीं जाते हैं, बट हम लोग कहाँ पे आते हैं? ऑनलाइन क्लास में आते हैं कि नहीं? यस. एंड आफ्टर ऑनलाइन क्लास अगेन. Yes, thank you, Harsh. Okay, again after online classes, okay, classes तो होता है online. Okay, then that girl came back to the home. After her school, she came back to the home. Okay, तुम लोग भी करते हो कि नहीं? Yes. फिर तुम लोग क्या करते? What you are doing after the online classes? Yes, you are playing and playing. Yes or no? Everyone reply me. After the online classes, what you are doing? Reply fast. Study. Very good, Srishti. Homework. Very good, Omkar. Aradhya, Arpit. Very good. Study. Yes. So after the, okay, after that, that girl is playing. वो क्या करती देखो? She is playing. She is playing. Okay. And after playing, again, after playing that time, the day is off. क्या होता है? Day खत्म हो जाता है. And the evening, what she is doing? She is taking the dinner with the family. She is taking the dinner with the family. And after taking dinner, she went to go to bed early, not late in the night. Listen carefully, not late in the night. So you have to go to bed early. आपको क्या करना है? रात को जल्दी सोना है. क्यों जल्दी सोना है? Because morning में हमको क्या करना है? We have to wake up fast. हमको अब जल्दी जल्दी उठना है कि नहीं? Yes, तो हमको क्या करना है उसके लिए? चलो मुझे बताओ. What you can do if you want to wake up early in the morning? चलो मुझे बताओ. Fast. अगर हमको मॉर्निंग में जल्दी उठना है तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? टेल मी fast. Oh, very good. Go to bed early. Early sleeping. Very good. Thank you so much. Means if you want to be wake up early in the morning, you have to wake to bed early. क्या करना है? जल्दी जल्दी सोना है हमको. No cartoon and nothing. Very good. Okay, then thank you so much for the replies, everyone. Okay, now here. Okay, now here is the one examples for you. Okay, now you can see here. Write the correct sequence of the picture. आपको क्या करना है यहाँ पे? Correct sequence of the picture करना है. Okay, now you can see here. What is the symbol of the day? It's a sun. Sun होता है कि नहीं? Yes. And what is the symbol of the night? It's a moon. And the clouds become in the day, it's a white, and sky become a blue. And the in night, what is the color of the sky? Yes, it's a black. Okay, now we are giving them the sequence of the picture. You can see here. First, wake up early in the morning. So this is wake up early in the morning. No, so this is a wake up early in the morning means first. Okay, then wake up early. Thank you ओमकार. No, then अच्छा morning में क्या करना है हमको? Early wake up करने के बाद हमको जल्दी जल्दी breakfast करना है ना? Breakfast करना है ना? No, very good. We have to brush our teeth means second. Why we have to brush our teeth? हमने cleanliness में देखा था. Why? क्या होता है? The dirty germs inside sitting in our teeth. Okay, and after that what we have to do? We have to take a healthy breakfast. We have to take a healthy breakfast. Yes, so like this 1 2 and 3 you can teach your kids like this. आप ऐसा day में sequence लगा के दे सकते. Or else what you can do, here is the pictures are drawing. You can draw the sun, moon and the birds pictures also and tell them to. आप ऐसे पिक्चर्स लेके भी सीक्वेंस बच्चों को देने के लिए लगा सकते हो. मीन्स यू कैन गिव द सन इन द स्काई. स्काई में छुपा हुआ सन निकाल दीजिए. देन सेकंड स्काई से बाहर आया हुआ. देन थर्ड इज अ डाउन टू द स्काई. तो ऐसे 3 सीक्वेंस हो गए. सो 1 2 3 बिकॉज सन पिक्चर इज इजी टू ड्रॉ. So like this. Okay, now we see in the night picture. Okay, so see here. Okay, can you tell me the sequence of the night now? Which is the first? Sleeping in the bed, sleeping on a bed, or reading a book? Sleeping in a bed. No, no. Yes, brushing is the first. First हम लोग क्या करेंगे when we, yes, before went to bed we have to brush our teeth. Brush our teeth. Okay, yes, see here is the first number. And you can't read the book, so tell your mama to tell me the story book. Read the story book. Okay, so this is the second number. See, this is the second number. And third is sleeping on a, yes, sleeping, going to the bed. Going to the bed means this is a third number. See here, this is a third number. Yes, so like this. Yes, brush, reading and sleep. Very good. Thank you so much. So like this you can give the sequence to the kids. ऐसे आप sequence बच्चों को दे सकते हैं. आज मैंने बताया था आपको, आप मून के बारे में भी वैसे ही कर सकते हो. यू कैन ड्रॉ द येलो स्काई. देन सेकेंड यू कैन ड्रॉ द moon in the sky. Then you can draw the full moon. Like this you can give the sequence to the kids also. ये ऐसे sequence भी आप दे सकते हो. Okay, so next. Okay, now match the correct, match with the correct word. हमको यहाँ पे क्या करना है? See, there is a picture. Pictures are given. Okay, हमको क्या करना है बच्चों को? Okay, now children listen carefully. It's a day. Day means D. D for day and N for night. See here, D for day and N for night. See, D for day and N for night. See, so these things you have to remember: D for day and N for night. Okay, now see here, this girl is sleeping or wake up in the morning. So, and this is sun. The sun, what is the symbol sun? What is the symbol of sun? Sun is a symbol of the day, right? And that boys and girls are playing. हम लोग night में खेलते हैं? No, we are playing during the day. हम लोग कभी play करते हैं? Day में. So, right, see here. Second, and the moon and star, when they are coming? In the night. Very good. See here, night and night. And this girl is sleeping. You can see the moon outside. Means night. Yes, night. So like this, you can tell to your kids about the day and night. Day and night. Thank you, Yashraj. Very good. Very good. So like this, you can take the practice of your kids. आप ऐसे बच्चों का practice ले सकते हैं. different worksheets देखिए, आप बच्चों का ऐसे practice ले लीजिए. Okay, parents? Okay, now color the daytime object. यहाँ पे see here, there is so many objects are drawn here. Okay, there are so many objects drawn here, and in that objects, the kids already seen all the objects, but they doesn't know which object there is for the night and which object is there for the day. You can see here, there is a sun. अच्छा, sun कभी आता है? Can you tell me when sun is coming? In the morning. Yes, in the morning. So we are giving the color to the sun. Yes, see the yellow sun. Okay, and moon is also came in the morning. Moon morning में आता है? No, means moon को नहीं करना है. Okay, now see the bird. Bird is flying in the night? No, bird is flying not in the night. So we have to color these birds also because they are flying in the morning. वो morning में आते हैं. Okay, now see here. The moon. Moon rises in the morning? No. Moon कभी आता है? In the night. Yes, तो हमको उसको color करना है? No. Then you can see the goggles. हम लोग night में goggles पहन के जाते हैं? हम लोग nights में goggles पहन के जाते हैं क्या? नो, हम लोग नाइट में गॉगल्स पहन के नहीं जाते हैं. यस, तो हम लोग कभी पहनते ड्यूरिंग द डे. मीन्स हमको किसको कलर करना है? गॉगल्स को. यस, सी हियर. यस, दीज आर द गॉगल्स. यस, सबके पास होगा ना गॉगल्स. मम्मा लेके जाती बाहर तभी पहनाती कि नहीं? यस, नाउ यू कैन सी हियर इज अ ट्री. ओके, नाउ ट्री and you can see there is a sun. ट्री के पीछे सन भी है. तो क्या करना है हमको? These objects we can find in the morning. So we have to color the tree also because उसके पीछे sun है. Yes, and in the rainbow. मैंने तो rainbow night में देखा. आप लोगों ने देखा है क्या? आपने देखा है? मैंने rainbow night में देखा. आप लोगों ने देखा है? No, very good. Very good. The rainbow we can see in the morning. Yes, the rainbow we can see in the morning. Yes. हम लोग को रेनबो कब दिखता है? इन द मॉर्निंग. यस, इन द मॉर्निंग. यस, सो आप ऐसे रेनबो भी दे सकते हैं बच्चों को कलर करने के लिए. सी देयर इज सो मेनी कलर्स इन द रेनबो. एंड काइट, हम लोग काइट को नाइट में लेके जाते हैं क्या उड़ाने के लिए? Can we take kite playing for the night? No, during the daytime. हम लोग kite कभी करते हैं? Day में. Yes, तो हम लोग को kite को color करना है? Yes, we have to color the kite also. Yes, very good. So like this, you can take the practice of different objects of your kids. Same about the night objects. You can draw the night objects also. You can draw the bed, you can draw eagle, you can draw moon, and yes, like night bird. You can draw like these objects and tell to your kids, okay, now here you have to draw, color, yes, owl. Yes, you have to color the objects which you can see in the night. हमको night में क्या क्या देखने मिलता है वो हमको क्या करना है? कलर करना है. Yes, stars also. Very good. So we have to color this object. ऐसे आप लोग बच्चों को different types का worksheet दे सकते हो solve करने के लिए. It's a moon. दिया आदि, it's a moon. Thank you so much, parents, for the replies. Okay, yes, bats. Who gave the reply of bats? Vaibhavi Nikum. Thank you so much, ma'am. Ah, yes, we can see the bats also in the night. Yes, we can see the bats also in the night. तो हम लोग bats भी draw कर सकते हो. Bats is also easy for the drawing. See here. So that type of easy pictures you can draw and give to color to the child. और ऐसा आप क्या कर सकते हो? You can draw the two house. You can draw the two house and wood house के अंदर एक में क्या करना है आपको? Night वाला ये करना है. Pictures draw करना. Means that girl is sleeping in the bed and all that things. And in between the second time you can draw the one girl is studying and tell to your kids that and upside you can draw the moon and moon and sun and tell to okay now आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना है जो हाउस में आपको डे दिख रहा है आपको क्या करना है उस हाउस को कलर करना है और एल्स जो आपको जहाँ पे आपको नाइट दिख रहा है आपको वहां पे कलर करना है ओके ऑल्सो यू कैन गिव द Yes, we can draw the, thank you, Diyadi. We can draw the sleeping movement. Yes. Also, you can do the different object. You can see here, there is object is given already. You can draw this object and tell to your kids, okay, abhi unko day and night. D for day and N for night. You can give them and give them the boxes. Like this, I'm showing you. Okay, you can draw this type of things. Okay. See here. Here is a okay, so see here, here is a sun, okay? Okay, okay, sun. And here is the moon, okay? Here is the moon, okay? And give them the, like this boxes, okay? Give them the boxes, okay? And tell them, okay, now you can see here is a sun and here is a moon, okay? So when moon rises in the night or day? In the night. So what we have to write here? N for night. And the sun. Sun, yeah, this is morning. Thank you, Yashraj. So see here, this is a sun. So sun kisko symbol karta hai? Day ko. Means what we have to write? It's a D for day. D for day. Yes. Or else you can draw the see here. This is a goggles. Okay. Yes, goggles and yes and tell them okay now she did this is the goggles हम लोग goggles कभी देखते हैं yes in the see this see this thank you so much parents okay now this is also bat bat हम लोग को कभी दिखता है thank you parents so bat हम लोग को bat कभी दिखता है in the night so what we have to write N or D it's a N yes it's a N thank you Swari thank you for the replies parents thank you so much so we have to write here N for night N for yes N for see here N for night and D for day D for day yes so like this you can take the practice of day and night ऐसे आप बच्चों का day and night का practice बच्चों से ले सकते हैं okay so okay so like this you can take the practice of the kids ऐसे आप मेरे see here is also small thing see this is a easy picture for the drawing see मैंने सिर्फ only paper यहाँ पे सिर्फ मैंने paper and crayons only paper and crayon used by me So you can see, you can draw that type of things also. आप ऐसे draw भी कर see the goggles and all that things are also easy to draw. आप ऐसे draw करके भी दे सकते हो. You can make the flashcards also for the day and night. And yes, this is sun. Thank you, Yashraj. So this type of activity you can take with the kids. Also, you can do one thing. आप जब भी morning में बच्चों को उठते, you can show them the sun, birds. You can show them the birds and like this. Okay, now अभी आपने क्या क्या देखा यहाँ पे? आपने sun देखा. You can see the birds. When we are seeing all these things in the morning, हमने ये सब कभी देखा? Morning में. And in the night you can show them moon and see the black sky. Black sky कभी दिखता है? Night में. So listen carefully. White sky, sorry, white clouds and the sky you can see in the मॉर्निंग. अभी हम लोग को ये सब कभी दिखता है? मॉर्निंग में. एंड ब्लैक स्काई, stars and moon we can see in the night. D for day and N for night. Yes, thank you so much for the responses, parents. Yes, thank you so much. मीन्स टीचर ने आपको कौन से फ्रेंड्स बताए थे? आपको समझ में आया? These are the two friends. ये कभी मिलते हैं साथ में? नहीं. आपने कभी देखा सन और मून कभी साथ में आए हैं? आते हैं कभी साथ में? No. Ice is also there. They can't meet each other. But these things also, yes. और sun कभी आता है? Morning में. And moon कभी आता है? Night में. So they are the best friends, but they can't meet each others. Yes, parents. Thank you so much for the responses. Yes, thank you so much for the response. Everyone given the right answer. Thank you so much for the responses, parents. Okay. It's time to end the session now. We will see you in this next lecture. Till that time, okay, we will see you in the next session. Till that time, thank you so much for the responses. Thank you so much, parents, giving me precious time to us. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone. Take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you so much.